Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and lovely to have you here. Got a curious cat that loves chewing your houseplants? Let's give them something better, cat grass. You know, it's not just about the fun of munching on green stuff. Cat grass actually provides essential nutrients that cats need, such as vitamins A, C and E, as well as iron, calcium and other minerals. Today, we're growing some of that green goodness right at home and using barley seeds, which is much more economical than those pricey cat grass kits. Cat grass is a safe, pet-friendly mix, usually wheatgrass, oat, rye, or barley. It's totally different from your lawn grass, which can contain nasty chemicals or be hard to digest. Why do cats go bonkers for grass? Well, cat grass isn't just a treat. It helps move hair through their system, reducing hairballs. It's also a natural laxative, packed with fiber, and provides nutrients like folic acid to support blood oxygen levels. Indoor cats often miss out on what wild cats do naturally, nibbling grass. It's full of nutrients like folic acid and can even ease stress and boredom. A great way to help your furry friend with digestion and hairball control. So let's learn how to grow cat grass from barley seeds and give our cats the best possible nutrition. This is the easiest way to grow cat grass at home. No green thumb required. To get started, grab some whole barley seeds, a shallow container, a bit of soil, or even just a damp paper towel, plus some water and light. Soak your barley seeds in water for 8 to 12 hours. This kickstarts germination. Pop a thin layer of moist soil into your pot, or use a damp paper towel if you prefer a soil-free method. Evenly scatter your soaked seeds. Press them gently into the soil. No need to bury them. Water lightly once or twice a day. Keep it damp, not soggy. Place your pot somewhere bright, but out of direct, harsh sunlight. In 4 to 7 days, you'll see little green shoots appear. Once they're around 3 to 5 inches tall, they're ready for your furry friend. Don't let it get too tall, it turns tough and unappetizing. And if mold shows up, cut back on watering and let in a bit more airflow. And there you have it. Super simple, super cheap, and your cat will love it. Barley seeds are a brilliant, cost-effective way to keep your cat happy and healthy. No overpriced kits needed. Give it a go, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your fellow cat lovers. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.